Oh my god, it's finally out! ElevenLabs V3! I've been waiting for this for the last year. They announced it a while ago, never released it, and I've been just digging into it. So, I got super deep, I did a lot of research, I compiled all that research right here for you. How will you leverage ElevenLabs V3 for your voice agents? This gets really deep. I will share this resource with you. More importantly, I will share a Claude skill with you that I created that's going to grab any of your prompts and then transform them into this ElevenLabs V3 emotionality tags. And I'll show you exactly what I mean in just a second. So this is more than just a voice generator, right? A text-to-speech. This can use tags. It can use tags like warm, conversational, sympathetic, cheerful, curious. And this is where it really comes in for voice agents. What is your use case? Think about your use case. Do you have outbound sales? Have you ever had a client, or have you ever experienced wanting to tell the agent, wait, but like the tonality should be like way more like this, and you try to put it in the prompt and it doesn't work? Well, now that's finally fixed. Finally. The best part is that this is gonna leverage the best parts of prompt engineering with a very clear prompt structure, but then leverage the audio tags when it really matters, in the example conversations, in the stages. And I created this skill in Claude, so you can use it right now. It's in the link below. You can go download it. And I created this skill that you can go download. It's in the link below. So you can download this, give it to Claude, and then Claude will have the skill itself. Whether you want to create a new prompt, or more probably adapt an existing prompt that you have, an existing agent, like I just did with this one, and I will show you the difference. Check this out. So I chose my favorite voice, Jessica Ann. I'll share some recommendations on voices.
Hi, thanks for calling Goodlet Family Law. I'm Sarah, an AI assistant. Please note, this call is being recorded for training. How can I help you today?
Hi, yeah, I need some help. I need a consultation on a divorce. I want a divorce from my wife, and I really don't want to lose my kids.
I see. I understand. And I'm really sorry you're going through this. We can definitely help with divorce and custody concerns. Are you calling for yourself or on behalf of someone else?
It's so good. Okay, yeah, I'm calling for myself. Anyway, yeah.
I see.
Oh, it's so good. Okay, yeah. So now let me show you what it looks like, what it used to look like. And obviously the prompt has to change. That's why I'm giving you the skill for you to give Claude. And I'm going to show you how to plug it in, because you can't just leave the prompt the same. But I'm going to show you what the prompt felt like before.
Hi, thanks for calling Goodlet Family Law. I'm Sarah, an AI assistant. Please note, this call is being recorded for training. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need some help. I'm looking for a consultation.
I see.
I'm going through a divorce, or I want to get divorced, and I really don't want to lose my kids, so I need your help.
I can definitely help you with that. Let me get some information to better assist you. Are you calling for yourself or on behalf of another person?
Bland. It's bland. It's static. It's not moving. It's not feeling. And oh my god, it's such a difference. It's such a difference. It's only gonna get better. It just came out of alpha, and it just got implemented. So this is the important part, that you leverage it. The other important part is that you watch cost. If you're looking for a very emotion-full use case, this is the game changer. If you're just looking for kind of inbound appointment booking, this might not be your game changer, right? Because you can still do it, and the user's not really gonna care about how it sounds like, as long as it does the job. So now I'm gonna pull up Claude and show you how to plug it in. The link to this document is below. You're gonna go to the school community. There's a free trial, so you can get it for free. You're gonna jump in there. It's gonna take you directly there. And now let me show you how to plug it in. Okay, so I'm gonna paste it in. It's gonna show up as a document, and then I'm gonna say, let's see. I need help with upgrading this prompt to leverage 11 V3. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna grab the prompt, the original prompt. I'm gonna 11. I'm also gonna allow you to use this for Claude Code as an actual skill, which I did build, and it's the literal, just like you would download it instead of copy it. Download as a markdown, and you would just call it skill, like that. Or you can just give it to Claude Code and it'll know what to do with it. Cool. So let's see. Great, Alejo. I can see this is your family law. Okay, awesome, awesome. Baseline. Okay, and now it starts going. Now it asks me a question. This is important, and this is part of the skill. It checks in with you about the use case. It checks in with you, what should this be? Like, we're going very subtle on the tags, or we're going moderate, or we're going aggressive on tags. To very, very emotion-full, if you will. It can also build prompts from scratch with a really good prompt structure that has worked reliably for me and all of our community and for all of our clients. Cool, awesome. And then it starts getting to work. So in terms of voices, here are a couple recommendations. I went ahead and compiled them, did the research, and then tried them out. And these are my favorite ones. Jessica Ann is really good. Angela is fine. Hope is fine. I feel like it used to be better, but again, you know, I tested it for a few hours. My favorite one was this one. It was Jessica Ann. It was so in it. It was so good. Alexandra I also really liked, and for the other two females I have not tried. I'm excited to hear what you think. And then for the male ones, these are just great voices, especially Archer and Stewart. They've always been, and I'm really, really happy with them, and we've used them before. Mark and Finn are new ones that I've tried, and also like really good. And this description is pretty on point with the research that I did with Claude Code. Pretty on point. So go ahead, try them out, go download this resource, and if you have any questions, I'm here. I'm ready to go in deeper and deeper and find some cool use cases for this. And remember to never stop prompting.